So if we are fixed in that aim, then we can easily forgive and forget anyone for anything. So here also there are so many wonderful examples in the Shastras. Ambarish Maharaj, where the Durvasa Muni was a very envious of Ambarish Maharaj. He wanted to kill him. He created a huge monster only for the purpose of killing the Ambarish Maharaj. See? Of course, Vishnu is very harsh with the Durvasa Muni, and Durvasa Muni had to travel throughout the universe for over a year trying to escape the Sudarshan Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra. But when finally Durvasa Muni realized that the only hope was to get the blessings of the Ambarish Maharaj. He went on and on, Brahma to Sivalok to Vishnu Lok. And Vishnu, what he told? He told that I can't do anything because I reside in the devotee's heart. So you should go to the Ambarish Maharaj and ask for forgiveness. So then the Durvasa Muni went where? And he asked for forgiveness. Please forgive me for my offense I have committed to you. And what Ambarish Maharaj said? What? Forgive you? My God, all the inconvenience I have caused you, I kept you waiting for your prasad for 1 year. All because of me. I should be begging forgiveness from you. This is the nature. This is the nature of the devotee, So he was not considering any offense. Ambarish Maharaj was considering himself as an offender. And so he is asking forgiveness to Durvasa Muni, So this is the nature of the devotee. So we should have this quality that we should always correct ourselves, always check, always accept our mistakes. We should not be pointing or have the fault-finding mentality. If somebody says you are a liar, so we should accept this. Oh, I'm a liar. So if we accept this, then we can grow. Then we can change ourselves. But if we don't accept it, no, you are a liar. No, you are this. You are this. But then there is no space for improvement from our side. And this sort of a quality of finding faults in another, Krishna is not pleased with us. If we want to please Krishna, then we should find fault in ourselves rather than others. So this should be the nature of the devotee. Yeah.